evening to Dr. Salman and everyone. Today my group and I will be presenting about issue in the Malaysia construction industry. My name is Fan Suet Lee and my group members are Fatin Nonarisa, Muhammad Ahmad, Lee Chi, Fan Chen Yu and Muhammad Akif. We look forward to sharing our insight on this important topic.
Hello everyone, I'm Fan Chen Yu. Today we will be discussing the importance of healthy, safety and environmental HSE management, particularly in Malaysia's construction sector. HSE management plays a crucial role in reducing risks, preventing accidents, and promoting sustainable practice. It is essential for safeguarding the healthy, safety, and environment of all stakeholders involved. However, Malaysia's construction sector faces unique challenges. Dangerous working conditions, environmental damage, and strict regulations are significant concerns. Rapid urbanization and infrastructure development have heightened the need for robust HSE measures. The country's effects in HSE management have a long history, beginning in 1978 with the appointment of Malaysia's first maturity inspector, forcing on-stream boiler safety in 10 minutes. This report aims to first explain HSE concept and challenges within the Malaysian context. Second, propose actionable strategies to manage risk efficiently. Third, analyze relevant legal frameworks to improve safety and sustainability in the sector. Together, let's work toward a safe and more sustainable future for Malaysia's construction industry. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I'm going to talk about current HSE issues in Malaysia. There are some major issues, which is high accident and fatality rates. Number 2, poor construction quality and environmental impacts. And number 3 is regulatory challenges and new problems arising during construction. I'm going to talk about the causes, which is there are several causes, and the number 1 is inefficient or SH workforce. This may lead to the limited enforcement of worker welfare, like rest facilities and sanitation. This may lead to the spread of infectious diseases like hepatitis A among the workers. Number 2 is inadequate tools and technology. Lack of proper equipment for tasks like working at high-rise building. There are cases which is fatal fall in 15th March 2024 due to poor safety equipment. Number 3, economic constraint. Insufficient funding leads to low quality machinery. There are cases which is worker being crushed in a molding machine in 2nd March 2024. And the last one is unsafe worker behavior that doesn't follow all safety regulation results in accidents. In 16th January 2024, the worker been electrocuted because of improper wiring. All the cases have been investigated under Section 15(1) of the Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994 Act 514. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Cindy. Now I will talk about the method practiced in the construction industry to address health, safety, and environmental. To begin, the construction industry employs various strategies to reduce workplace hazard, ensure compliance with legal standards, and minimize environmental impact. These practices are essential for safeguarding workers, protecting the environment, and maintaining operational efficiency. Focus on safety and healthy management. Key methods include regular site inspection, risk assessment, and safety planning to identify and address potential hazards. Personal protective equipment is critical for worker protection. Well-training program equip employees with the skill to operate safely. Emergency preparedness further ensure readiness to respond effectively to unexpected incidents. On the environmental side, management efforts are aimed to minimizing negative impact and promoting sustainability. This involves careful planning, continuous monitoring, and implementing measures to address issues like air and water pollution, waste and waste. By conserving resources and improving energy efficiency, the industry not only meet regulatory requirements but also protect ecosystem and ensure sustainability. Now, move to the next page.
Now I'll be sharing some key methods used in safety and health management in the construction industry. First, let's talk about site inspection. These are proactive measures where the construction site is truly examined to identify hazards and assess risk. During inspection, unsafe conditions or faulty equipment are identified and issues are prioritized based on severity. This ensures compliance with safety regulation and allow immediate corrective action. Findings are documented for future reference, and involving employees in the process help raise their awareness in safety risks. Next, we have the use of personal protective equipment or PPE. PPE includes items like helmet, glove, goggles, and safety shoes which protect workers from specific hazards such as falling objects, chemical exposure, or sharp tools. Employer ensure that necessary PPE is provided and that its use aligned with safety regulation, such as those by set by OSHA. This approach plays a vital role in minimizing injuries and promoting overall worker safety. Another important method is training program. This structured section equip workers with the skill and knowledge to perform tasks safely. Workers are trained regularly on how to use equipment, handle materials, and respond to emergency. This raises awareness of job-specific risks, reinforce compliance with safety regulation, and ensure workers understand their legal rights and responsibility. Training also enhances emergency preparedness and foster a culture of proactive safety. Lastly, another method is collecting, analyzing, and maintaining incident statistics. This method involves tracking all accident injuries and close call accidents to improve safety. We track and record every accident injuries and close call, then analyze the data to identify the pattern and the root cause of it. Based on the finding, we implement necessary changes such as updating safety protocol, improving training, or fixing equipment. This ongoing review helps us continuously improve our safety measure and stay on top of the new risks. Involving workers in the reporting accident encourage them to take responsibility for their own safety and the safety of their colleagues as well.
In construction, environmental management is crucial for reducing the impact of building projects on the environment while promoting their sustainability. First of all, the key method is Construction Environmental Management Plan. The CEMP is critical framework for ensuring the environmental standards are met throughout a project. It set a clear goals for environmental protection, establish a legal and regulatory requirements, and outline emergency procedure in case of environmental incidents like spills. Roles and responsibility are defined to ensure accountability and regular monitoring is carried out to track the progress and compliance. Next is sustainable practice. Construction projects now incorporate various sustainable practices aimed at reducing the environmental harm. This includes resource conservation strategies like rainwater harvesting and rainwater recycling, which help to minimize the water consumption. Additionally, by using this energy efficient technologies such as solar panels and implementing the waste management technique like recycling and reusing the materials can reduce both waste and consumption of new resources. The third one is training and awareness programs. Environmental management in construction is most effective when the workers are well trained. So this method is used. Training programs can help the construction staff understand sustainable practice, emergency response procedure, and waste management technique. This program ensures that everyone on site is equipped with the knowledge and minimize the environmental impact and respond appropriately in case of environmental hazard happen. The last one is community engagement. Engaging with the local communities is an essential part of environmental management in construction. By involving the stakeholder early in the planning process, construction companies can address any concern or demands related to environmental impacts. Public meetings and consultation help to ensure that projects align with the community's expectations and values, fostering cooperation and support for the project. In short, this method works together to create a construction environment that not only minimizes the harm to the environmental but promotes the cost efficiency, legal compliance, and positive community relations.
Now, let's see the table comparing health and safety management with environmental management in construction. First, the objective. Health and safety focus on protecting workers and reduce hazard, while environmental management aim to minimize environmental impact and promote sustainability. For site inspection, health and safety identify workplace hazard, whereas environmental management ensure compliance with environmental regulations. Protective measures differ too. Health and safety relies on PPE, while environmental management use construction environmental management plans to mitigate impact. In training program, health and safety educate workers on safe practice, while environmental management emphasize sustainability and waste management. When it comes to data management, health and safety track incidents to improve safety, while environmental management monitor compliance through audits. Finally, for regulatory compliance, health and safety ensure workplace safety standards are met, while environmental management promote eco-friendly practices and regulation adherence. Together, this approach creates a safer, more sustainable construction industry. Thank you.
Next, I will share on strategies to overcome health, safety, and environmental issues in Malaysia construction industry. Ensuring worker safety, environmental protection, and compliance with standards is essential for sustainable growth. First, by strengthening the regulatory compliance, Dodge played a key role by conducting audits and inspection to ensure sites follow the rules. By having a stricter penalty for non-compliance, it can push the companies to prioritize HSE practice. Additionally, requiring the safety and health officer on large project can ensure oversight, while regular training program keeps the worker informed about safety rules and emergency procedure. Next is enhancing training programs. Comprehensive training is essential to ensure everyone in the construction industry understand the HSE procedure. This program should cover topics like personal protective equipment (PPE), hazard identification, waste management, and emergency response protocol. By having a collaboration with organizations like CIDB, also can provide access to specialized training programs, practical session, regular refresher course, and evaluation technique. Also can ensure workers to stay updated and capable of applying their knowledge on site. And And certification for complete courses also can increase the participation, while feedback system can help identify areas that needing the improvement.
Advanced technology are transforming the Malaysian construction industry by enhancing health safety and environmental practice. Tools like building information modeling, IoT sensor and wearable device enable real-time hazard detection and health monitoring, reducing risk and preventing accident. Automated machinery minimize human error and virtual reality help in safety training. Drones, mobile apps and robotic tools improve productivity and sustainability, while augmented reality and 3D printing streamline processes. This innovation optimize construction, enhance safety, reduce costs and support environmentally friendly practice, leading to a better outcome for all stakeholders. Sustainable waste management in the construction industry address health, safety and environmental issues by reducing hazard, preventing pollution and conserving resources. Proper waste disposal minimize stripping risk, protect workers from harmful substances and prevent environmental contamination. Recycling and reusing material help reduce environmental impact and comply with regulation, improving a company reputation. Effective waste management also reduces health risks like respiratory issue and skin exposure, while minimizing accidents such as slip and fall. Overall, this practice promotes worker safety, environmental responsibility and positive community relations, fostering a safer and more sustainable construction project.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Shazwan Abdul Rahman. So I will continue with relevant act related to health, safety and environment in Malaysia. First act is the Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994 OSHA 1994 provide a framework for ensuring workplace safety, requirement employer to identify risk, implement safety measure and provide training for worker. OSHA ini diperkenalkan untuk memastikan tempat kerja sentiasa dalam keadaan yang selamat. Selain itu, training kepada pekerja supaya mereka dapat menggunakan safety equipment dengan betul. Next is the Factory and Machinery Act 1967 FFA CC 1967 cover the safety use of machinery and construction operation. Specifically, the building operation and work of engineering construction or WEC regulation 1986 set standard for supporting fires and excavation work. Akta FFA 1967 menetapkan garis panduan berkaitan penggunaan mesin di kawasan site, manakala WEC regulation 1986 mula diperkenalkan untuk menetapkan satu standard keselamatan bagi penggunaan scaffolding, lift appliance atau excavation work. Seterusnya ialah Social Security Act SOCSO Act 1969 mandate the employer register their worker to provide protection against workplace injury and illness. Akta SOCSO diperkenalkan untuk melindungi pekerja dari sebarang kecelakaan ataupun sebarang kebelangan yang mungkin berlaku semasa bekerja ataupun di luar waktu kerja. Seterusnya ialah Fire Service Act 1988 which require fire prevention measure, firefighting equipment and escape plan at construction site. Akta ini menekankan berkaitan dengan kebakaran dan mewajibkan setiap site mempunyai escape plan dan laluan kecemasan, laluan keluar jika berlaku kebakaran dalam site. Selain itu, akta ini juga mewajibkan setiap site mempunyai fighting equipment seperti fire extinguisher, bilik bomba ataupun hose rail. Seterusnya ialah Environmental Quality Act 2A 1974 require project to conduct environmental impact assessment. Akta ini berkaitan dengan environment punya quality ataupun alam sekitar. Akta ini mewajibkan setiap projek yang akan dilakukan, projek baru yang akan dijalankan perlu menjalankan environmental impact assessment, penilaian impact kepada alam sekitar terhadap kesan daripada pembinaan projek ataupun pembangunan projek-projek baru. Sekali, hazardous waste is regulated under the Schedule Waste Regulation 205, the Solid Waste and Public Cleansing Management Act 2007, enforce proper construction waste disposed wider wildlife conservation act, protect natural habitat and wildlife affected by construction. Okay. Akta ini diperkenalkan untuk menetapkan garis panduan bagi melupuskan barang-barang ataupun sisa pekerjaan daripada pembinaan dan menyediakan garis panduan bagi mencegah kefokusan kepada ataupun menjaga kehidupan ataupun alam sekitar di sekitar site yang akan dijalankan untuk melindungi daripada kefokusan ataupun kerosakan alam sekitar ataupun habitat yang sedia ada di kawasan pembinaan yang akan dibangun. Itu saja daripada saya. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum.
To conclude, Malaysia's construction industry faces big challenges with health, safety and the environmental. Even though some process has been made with rules, training and a sustainable practice. To solve these problems, we need a clear and consistent plan. This includes regular safe checks, building safety equipment properly, better training, stricter rules, and working closely with the community. By focusing on worker safety, protecting the environment, and working together, the industry can grow and become more sustainable, staying committed to better practice will make construction in Malaysia safer and more responsible. Thank you.